Hello everyone, welcome back to English Pro with Deepak. Today I will be sharing some of the most common mistakes that beginners make when learning English and how you can avoid them. So, mistake number 1, translating directly from your native language. One of the biggest challenges is trying to directly translate from your native language to English. This often leads to incorrect grammar and sentence structure. For example, in Hindi, you might say I am eating food now, but in English, it's better to say I am eating now. Try to think in English. Mistake number 2, not practicing speaking enough. Many learners focus too much on reading and writing, but they don't practice speaking. Remember, English is a language. You need to speak regularly to get comfortable. Start small by practicing simple sentences daily. Now, mistake number 3, misusing articles a, an, and the. Article can be confusing, but they are essential. For example, we say a book when it's any book, but the book when it's specific. Pay attention to these small but important details. Mistake number 4, using the wrong verb tense. It's easy to mix up verb tenses. Remember that past events we use past tense verbs like went, not a go. Practice basic tenses can help clear up this confusion. Mistake number 5, giving up too soon. Learning a language takes a time. Many beginners give up after facing challenges. Keep pushing forward. Don't worry about the mistakes. They are a part of our learning. So, those are some common mistakes English learners make. But don't worry, be the patient, practice and patient. You can overcome them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more tips, let me know in the comments which mistake you are working on avoiding. Thank you to be with me, and don't forget to push the bell icon also.